How to get my TikTok account back if I forgot my password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get my TikTok account back if I forgot my password. To reset a password, tap Profile at the bottom of the TikTok app. Now, tap the menu button at the top. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Next tap Account and then tap Password. Follow the instructions to reset your password. To reset a password when you're logged in, tap Sign Up in the TikTok app. After that, tap Login at the bottom of the page. Here select Use Phone, Email, Username and choose Email or Username. Then tap Forgot Password. Choose to reset your password with your phone number or email. If you join TikTok using another social media account, you will need to reset the password from that platform. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.